So in this video, I will show you how to fix installed field couldn't create directory. So as you can see right now, I'm in my plugin section and clicking on add new plugin. And now, for example, let's try to install this plugin. And whenever you try to install any plugin, you see this error, installation field could not create directory. Don't worry. Now I will show you how you can easily fix this problem. To solve this error, you have to go to your cPanel. So go to your website cPanel, and from your cPanel just open File Manager. And here you have to go to your website folder. And inside of your website folder, just open wp-content folder. And here you will find this plugin folder. So here make sure this plugin folder name is only plugins. After plugins, if you accidentally used anything else, any other letters, then you will face this error. So to solve this problem, just rename your plugin folder. Make sure it's only plugins and then click on rename file. And then go to your add plugins folder again and just reload your page. And after that, now let's try to install a plugin. And as you can see, the plugin has been installed and successfully activated without the error. So that's how we can solve this problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.